In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a broker to TradingView to place live trades. This process will help you seamlessly integrate your trading activities on TradingView and streamline your trading experience. Let's dive in. First, let's start by heading over to TradingView. If you haven't already, go to the BTC USD demo asset. This demo asset will give you a good starting point for understanding how the trading panel works within TradingView. Just remember, this is a great place to practice and ensure you're comfortable navigating the platform before executing live trades. Once you're on the BTC/USD demo asset page, you'll want to direct your attention to the bottom of the screen where the trading panel is located. The trading panel is your gateway to finding and connecting your preferred broker. Click on it and you'll see a list of supported integrated brokers. This list is comprehensive and includes many of the major players in the trading industry. So take a moment to locate your broker from the list. After you've found your broker, the next step is to click on the Connect button next to their name. Clicking this button will prompt a login window to open. Here, you'll need to enter your broker's username and password, the same credentials you use to access your broker's own platform. It's crucial to enter this information accurately to ensure a smooth connection. Complete the login process by following the on-screen instructions. With your broker now connected, you're ready to start placing trades directly through TradingView. This setup greatly simplifies the trading process by keeping everything within one platform. To place a trade, simply right-click on the chart at the point where you'd like to execute the trade. A menu will appear, and you will select Trade. This is where you'll choose Create New Order. When you select Create New Order, the order panel will pop up. The order panel is where you'll specify the details of your trade. You can choose the type of order you want to place, such as market, limit, or stop. You'll also have the ability to adjust the quantity and fine-tune other parameters according to your trading strategy before sending the order to your broker. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully connected your broker to TradingView and learned how to place live trades. Remember, practice on demo assets before switching to live trades to ensure you're confident with your strategy and familiar with the platform's functionalities. Thanks for watching and happy trading.